Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you are not subscribed, click that button down below and subscribe. So for today's look right here, I have this cut crease. Just to tell you guys off the bat, I am not good at cut creases, but this right here, I surprised the hell out of myself because it came out so good. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. All right, so we are just going to jump right into the eyes. As you can see, they are prepped and ready, and we are just gonna jump in with the Modern Renaissance palette. So mine is literally like a mess. Mine's already like done, but the shadows are still there, so that's all that matters. What I want to do today, I want to do like a really like defined cut crease. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna start with Love Letter and Venetian Red, so these two right here. I'm really hoping that it comes out good. I am not perfect at cut creases, okay? So I am going to try my best and crossing my fingers that it comes out pretty decent. So I'm gonna grab this brush. This is a Sigma Shader Inner Corner brush, but for today, I am actually going to be using that for my cut crease. So I'm literally just applying this and like literally tracing my crease. Now that I'm done outlining the crease, looks pretty good. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20, and I'm grabbing my Morphe M421 brush and just cleaning up the lid and just basically cutting the crease. Now that I'm done cutting the crease, I'm going to grab my JH41 brush and I'm going to go in with the shade Vermeer, which is in the Anastasia of Beverly Hills palette. And I'm just going to apply that all over the lid. Alright, so I feel like I want to go in with another shade as well. So I'm going to go in with this shade here from the 35M palette. This one is called Color Persona. And I'm just grabbing a BH Cosmetics brush. And I'm just going to apply this on the outer part of the eye, just like that. Alright, so this is what the eyes are looking like so far, and I like the fact that I added that shade to the eyes because it just looks like it's nicely transitioning into a lighter shade to the veneer shade. So I really do like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with some eyeliner and then add some lashes, and when I'm done, I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back, and as you can see, I added some lashes and liner, and I also want to let you guys know that I added a little bit of Buon Fresco, I guess that's how you pronounce it. It's like a purple, like a lilac mauve shade. It's more mauve-y, okay? It's like a cool tone mauve, and I added that, and I just added that a little bit right here, just to blend this out just like that with this BH Cosmetics brush. And that is pretty much it. I didn't do anything else. So now that we are completely done with the eyes, well, the top part, because of course, once I'm done with foundation and everything, I like to add, you know, the bottom lash line. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with face primer. I'm gonna use these two. This is the Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer, and then this is my Benefit Professional for the pores. Now for foundation, I'm going to go with my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24-Hour Foundation. For concealer, I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Medium. To cream contour today, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toast. And to blend that out, I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques contour brush. To set my concealer, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And I'm going to grab my Sigma Tapered Highlighter Brush. This is the number F35. Alright guys, so since I did set my concealer and everything, I also want to go in with this. This is a Laura Mercier, what is it? The Translucent Loose Setting Powder Glow. I got a little sample of this when I, you know, from your points at Sephora. So I don't know if I should have like set that. I mean, I did set over here, but over here it's really not set. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this e.l.f. brush. This is a clean one. And I'm just going to grab some of that from the cap that I poured out and see how this works. Because it's supposed to give you like a luminous, natural glow from within. I don't know. Maybe I should have did it before, but I don't know. What do you think? Did it work? I don't know. Let me see if I grab a little bit more. Okay. Let's see. I mean, okay. I kind of see a little bit of what they're talking about. I don't know if you guys see it. Do you guys see that? I see it. If I can see it from my viewfinder, I think you guys can see it pretty well. So it's supposed to be like a glow from within. It's pretty. I mean, I think I would do this more when I have more of a natural look. So you see, I got it, put it on the tip of my nose. It's not really a highlighter, I wouldn't say. It's a highlighter. It's more like a natural glow from within, I guess. Or you could call it a highlighter, I don't even know. All I know is that I got it and I kind of wanted to try it, so that's what that looks like. I think I'm gonna add a highlighter on top anyway, but I just wanted to give it a little try. I mean, it looks really nice now that I'm looking at it in my big mirror. I can see that nice little glow. So this is, I like this. I really do like this. It looks healthy, you know, like I could see it. It looks really nice and healthy. I like that. All right, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with my Shade and Light, my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm just going to set my contour. I mean, you guys, I really do like that new Laura Mercier Translucent Glow powder. It's really pretty. So, I mean, check on Sephora, see if you can actually still get one of those by using your points, because that's what I did. I got this little mini one, but I mean, there's still a good amount of product in here, so you can try it out. It's 1 gram. 0.03 ounces, so it's really cute. It's so super tiny, but yeah, so definitely look into that. Now I'm just going to go in with blush. This is a Tarte palette that I got like 3 years ago now, maybe. This is the Blush Bazaar Amazonian Clay Blush Palette, and I'm thinking that I'm gonna go in with these two. Are my favorite, so I'm probably gonna go in with these two. I'm gonna grab my Real Techniques blush brush, and I'm going to grab this and this. This is Skillful and Fortunate. So these two together. Alright, so since we are pretty much in the mauve, pinky, red, mauve tone eye look, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlight. This pretty shade, whoop, this pretty shade here, it's super pretty. And I'm just going to grab a brush, and I'm just going to apply that as my highlight today. I'm also going to grab a little bit of that highlight and use a little detailed brush like this and just apply that on the inner corners right here, just to fill that in. I'm also going to grab a little bit and apply that on the brow bone, because why not? Alright, now I'm going to go right back in with that palette from Anastasia, and I'm grabbing this BH pencil brush, and I'm just grabbing Venetian Red and Love Letter, and I'm just going to apply that on the lower lash line. I'm going to add a little bit of this Rimmel eye definer. This is in the shade In the Nude. I'm going to add a little bit of mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic. So I didn't realize that the camera wasn't recording, but I did go in with my favorite lip liner, and that is Soar from MAC. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with 2 lipsticks. I'm going to go in first with this one. This is the MAC lipstick in the shade Blankety. And now I'm going to go in with this lipstick right here. This is from Gerard Cosmetics. Super pretty packaging. I love this. This is the shade Buttercup. Both these lipsticks are super creamy, by the way. I absolutely love them. Alright, now that I'm all done with my makeup, I'm going to go in and set the face with this NYX Dewy Setting Spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look right here. What do you guys think? I'm going to zoom you guys in because I'm so proud of myself. I want to make sure that it's not blurry, just so you guys can actually get a really close view of the look. How gorgeous did this turn out? And I said, I am not good at cut creases, but you guys, I'm really happy. It just honestly, like, I don't know what happened, but it turned out so good. So, I mean, if you have trouble creating cut creases like I do, definitely try it out. I mean, it's just makeup, so you can always like take it off and reapply it, take it off and reapply it. It's just, you know, keep trying until you master it. Not saying that I mastered it, but I mean, it came out pretty good first time doing it the way that I did, you know what I mean? So I'm really happy with it. It looks super, super good. and yeah, I love it. So I mean, I guess I'm gonna consider this another Valentine's Day look for you guys because I've been in the mood to create Valentine's Day looks. So here's another one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.